Hi guys, my name is Steven. Welcome back to the Wplifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a custom URL for your YouTube channel. But before I do that, I want to use this opportunity to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you that have subscribed to this channel. Because of you, we've now hit 100 subscribers and this channel is now eligible for a custom URL. So I'm going to be getting a custom URL for this channel and I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So thank you so much for making this possible. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscription button and hit the bell notification icon so you get notified when there's I upload a video on this channel. So for those of you that don't have 100 subscribers yet, you will not be eligible to get a custom URL for your YouTube channel. So I will suggest go ahead and save this video so that once you hit 100 subscribers, you can come back and watch this video so you can get your own custom URL for your YouTube channel. And for those of you that already have 100 subscribers, let's go ahead and dive into the video so that I can show you how you can do that in just few minutes. So let's get started. So once you're on your YouTube channel, go ahead and click on your channel icon right here and click on YouTube Studio. You can also do the same thing on your mobile phone, but make sure you log in through your browser. You can do this using the YouTube Studio app. So once you're on your dashboard right here, you can see here that we already have the minimum requirement, right? So once you have at least 100 subscribers, your channel will be eligible for custom URL. So from here, scroll down and click on customization right here. And from here, you can see that we have layout, branding, and basic information. Go ahead and click on basic info right here. And then scroll down here. Once you scroll down a little bit here, you can see channel URL right here. And if you don't have up to 100 subscribers, you're not going to see this option to set a custom URL for your channel. So once you see this option right here, you can now know that you're eligible for custom URL. So go ahead and click on set a custom URL for your channel. And once you click on that, it's going to suggest your current YouTube name as your custom URL. You can see here that I have youtube.com/wplifestyle. If this is not available, it's going to tell you that this is not available. And in that case, you can click on this icon right here. And then over here, you have the option to choose a different URL for your YouTube channel. Or even if you want to still use Wplifestyle, for example, we can add more letters here or numbers if we want. We can go ahead and add like maybe number 1 or 2 or whichever number we want to add here. You can go ahead and add that here as well. And once you are happy with your custom URL, you can go ahead and click on publish over here. And once you click on publish, it's going to ask you to confirm your custom URL. It's going to tell you that this URL cannot be changed or transferred to a different channel. And if you're okay with that, you're going to go ahead and click on confirm. And once you do that, you can go ahead and click on this channel icon right here. You can see this arrow right here. Click on that and it's going to take us to our channel right here. You can see that the channel ID is still showing this random generated ID over here. But if you go over now and type youtube.com/wplifestyle.com and click enter, that is going to pull our channel name here. So this is our current channel name right now. Just because we just changed this, it's going to take a while before it take effect. So now you can go ahead and give people your channel name so that people can find you on YouTube using this custom URL. So that is basically how you can get a custom URL for your YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified when next I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next video.